Welcome to this presentation on transient voltage suppression, where we will explore how TVS diodes protect electronic circuits from harmful voltage spikes. What is voltage transient? A voltage transient is a sudden and short-lived spike in voltage within an electrical circuit. These transients are typically caused by lightning strikes, electrostatic discharge, or switching of inductive loads. If not properly managed, they can seriously damage sensitive electronic components. What is transient voltage suppression, TVS? Transient voltage suppression, or TVS, refers to a method of protecting electronic circuits from these harmful voltage spikes. It involves the use of specialized devices, such as TVS diodes, that clamp transient voltages, ensuring the circuit remains within safe operating limits. How does a TVS diode work? A TVS diode remains inactive during normal circuit operation. However, when a voltage spike occurs, it quickly switches to a low impedance state. This allows it to divert the excess energy to the ground, preventing the voltage at the circuit from rising above a safe threshold. Types of TVS devices. There are several types of TVS devices. Unidirectional TVS diodes are used in DC circuits, while bidirectional TVS diodes are suitable for AC circuits or data lines. Multilayer varistors, or MLVs, are designed for higher energy absorption, and gas discharge tubes are used for handling high-energy transients like lightning strikes. Applications of TVS. TVS devices are widely used in power supply circuits, communication interfaces like USB and HDMI, automotive electronics, industrial control systems, and consumer electronics such as smartphones and laptops. Their versatility makes them essential for robust circuit protection. Advantages of using TVS. The key advantages of using TVS devices include their extremely fast response time in the picosecond range, simple integration into circuits, reliable protection of sensitive components, improved system reliability, and their low cost with a small physical footprint. Conclusion. In summary, voltage transients are dangerous spikes that can damage electronics, but TVS devices effectively prevent such damage. They are easy to implement, highly reliable, and crucial for a wide range of electronic applications, making them an essential part of circuit design. References. For further reading and detailed technical specifications, you can refer to IEEE articles on transient voltage suppression, manufacturer datasheets from Littelfuse and Vishay, and various electronics tutorials available online.